You've probably heard of GoPro, but have you heard of Campark? Well, in today's video, I'm going to show you why I think Campark is the best budget alternative to GoPro. And to do that, I have here one of my favorite Campark action cameras, the Campark X40, which is often considered to be the equivalent to a GoPro Hero 6 or GoPro Hero 7. But before we review anything, why don't I show you what comes in the package when you order one of these bad boys. Now, when you order one of these, you do get, of course, the camera, but we'll talk about that later. But you also get an underwater case, which can be used up to 40 meters, a remote that you can wear on your wrist to start and stop the camera, very handy. Also get microfiber cloth, and of course spare battery. You also get a white box. Of course, the white box isn't empty, it's full of mounts. And there's one more in the box. So you've got all sorts of mounts here. You've got helmet mounts. So let's go through. We have here the manual. Here we have the clip-on external microphone. Pretty cool. We also have some random mounts that I'm sure some people out there watching will know. There's a screw. This one is a J-hook. Got some adhesive pads. And this one, I believe, is a bicycle mount. Pretty cool. And this, of course, is another part of the underwater case. Now let's talk about some reasons why Campark X40, or just Campark in general, is the best budget alternative to GoPro. First of all, this Campark X40 can record up to 4K, 30 frames per second. It has enhanced image stabilization, so your videos won't be all shaky, and it is less than 30% of the price of its equivalent GoPros. So by that I mean the GoPros that it's equivalent to are about $400, and this one is about $70. So I don't know if I got the math fully correct there, but it is so much cheaper, and I have been using it for a while and it's amazing. It has micro HDMI and USB, micro USB as well, and then you've got the SD card, and it's got a touchscreen on the front but also on the back, or I guess the front and the back, but it's got a touchscreen on both sides, and when you flip it around into selfie mode, when you're recording with this camera and you flip it around like this, you can see yourself in this screen here, and then you flip it back around, then you can see what you're filming like that. Another cool feature of the X40 is that it can record up to 90 minutes in 4K and 180 minutes in 1080p HD. Yeah, I don't need to be recording for that long. These videos don't take that long to record, but if you need that much, then great choice. This camera also has built-in Wi-Fi for the app DV King 4K. This app allows you to place the camera, and as long as you're connected via the Wi-Fi, you can see on your phone or any device that has this app what the camera can see without actually being able to see the camera. Pretty cool. And that concludes this video on why I think the Campark action cameras are the best budget alternatives to GoPro. I'll link Campark down in the description. Why don't you guys leave a like and subscribe for more content like this and other things in the future, and I'll see you next time.